Hi, I'm Mira. We're gonna learn how to file object. So let's say you want to design and it's not finalized, but you still want to keep it around for placeholder use. So we have our Pingu as our t-shirt design and my Sona. So let's say you have the design ready. You can make it photos. You don't have to merge it together. And then all you have to do is right click on the blue rectangle, file object, convert to file object. Make sure it's drawing area because you only draw this area. Okay. You save it, shirt design 0. Yeah. And you can transform your thing here on the shape itself. Oops. Let's say I just want to like have a bit of transform. So yeah. For transform, just Ctrl K. Anyway, the design just like of the triangle. So first I have to go with the operation here. Then open this file. I will prompt you a new window, the new file. Okay. And then all you have to do is save the file, and then voila. And that's how you do file object.